Hosted by the University of the West Indies UWI St Augustine Faculty of Law via the Project Access Programme, the free mobile legal aid clinic bridged the gap between legal professionals and citizens to bring legal support directly to the community. Team lead and lecturer Dr. Timothy Afonso explained how the initiative supports one of the core pillars of the UWI St Augustine Faculty of Law.
Today is actually the second legal aid clinic as part of our Project Access, which is a project that has been funded by the Rockefeller Philanthropic Advisors. So they have provided funding, and one of the core pillars of the Faculty of Law is to ensure that persons have access to legal services. So the Legal Aid Clinic is one of our initiatives to ensure that members of the public have access to important, valuable, reliable legal advice.
Dr. Afonso confirmed that the range of concerns addressed by the Legal Aid Clinic could span everything from family and civil law, criminal law, land and property law, wills and probate, to letters of administration.
So what we have is a network of attorneys who have all given up their time, and this is not the first time they've done it, to provide legal advice free of charge to the general community. And we've noticed that a lot of people sometimes just don't even know where to begin. So what they get today is reliable information from dedicated lawyers who, in a field of areas, sometimes it could be as simple things as a relative may have passed and they don't know what to do next, or what the impact of that would be on land matters. Some things deal with criminal matters. So it's really a broad brush approach to what some of the legal issues would be.
Faculty of Law researcher Cara John added that the free mobile legal aid clinic also empowers the next generation of attorneys to be more attuned to the deeper needs of society.
We really have a two-pronged initiative as well. So while we're reaching out to communities in Trinidad and Tobago, we're also using the opportunity to train our students. So our students are part of every single step along the legal aid clinic journey, from intake to exit forms and to actually sitting with attorneys and learning the client's interview process, as well as learning more about the law and the practical application, the procedural application of the principles that they're learning in their classrooms.
Project Access plans to continue serving citizens in 2026 with a third free mobile legal aid clinic scheduled for January 17 at the Diego Martin Community Centre. Citizens are invited to visit the UWI Faculty of Law page for updates. Stacia Howard, TTT News.